Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best guitar accessories is probably one of the most exciting upgrades for any guitarist, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. From essential tools to enhance your playing experience, to gadgets that unlock new sonic possibilities, the right accessories can significantly impact your sound and overall enjoyment. In this video, we'll dive into some of the top-rated guitar accessories. Number 5. D'Addario Pro Winder, all-in-one guitar tool. Introducing the D'Addario Pro Winder, a tool designed to make your string changes faster and easier. This all-in-one tool streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Why carry multiple tools when you can have it all in one? This tool combines a string winder, cutter, and bridge pin puller, making it an essential addition to any guitarist's case. It fits comfortably in your hand. The Pro Winder features a guitar peg winder that fits onto your tuning pegs. This allows you to quickly wind your strings, making the whole process much faster. With the integrated hardened steel clippers, you can effortlessly cut through old strings. It also helps trim the excess from new strings after they're looped through the tuning machines. A built-in bridge pin puller is included, especially useful for acoustic guitarists. This feature simplifies removing stubborn pins without the risk of damage that can occur with other tools. What we like. This tool does it all, making string changes a breeze. It's got everything you need in one compact design. If you're tired of fumbling with multiple tools, this will save you time and effort. What people say. Wins, cuts strings and pops bridge pins. Works as it should. Worked very well and can't imagine trying to wind strings without. Wire cutters is convenient. The built-in cutter works great for cutting the strings. The puller works great to release the string, and the winder made my first install go by in about 15 minutes. Number 4. Nintendo Switch OLED Accessories Kit. This carrying case is designed to protect your Switch and make it easy to carry. It's durable, strong, and easy to clean, ensuring your console stays safe wherever you go. It also supports 3 charging methods, making it super convenient. Keep your controllers ready to go with this charging dock. It can charge up to 4 Joy-Con controllers at the same time. This ensures you're always ready for multiplayer fun. Enhance your gaming experience with the wheel and grip. They make your gameplay more enjoyable while also protecting your Joy-Cons. This provides a better grip and control. These silicone cases and caps offer full protection. The ergonomic design and soft material provide a comfortable grip and protect your controllers from damage. They are designed for comfort and protection. Protect your Switch from everyday wear and tear with the protective case and screen protector. They offer full protection against bumps, scratches, dust, and fingerprints. Keep your screen and console looking brand new. Keep your games organized with the game card case. It can store up to 24 game cards and SD cards. This ensures you can easily access your favorite games. What we like. This kit has everything you need to enhance your gaming experience. It includes a protective case, charging dock, and more. If you're looking to protect your Switch and level up your gaming, this is a great choice. What people say. Everything looks good, fits the Switch and is easy to use. I'm most impressed with the case, well made, durable and room to include a few accessories. The screen protector was a plus because that alone saved me from spending $12 for just that. Number 3. Sondery Guitar Wall Mount Hanger. This wall mount is designed for all walls. It's easy to install on brick, drywall, or wood. The unique push and turn design makes mounting quick and simple. This hanger accommodates various instruments. It works with acoustic, electric, and bass guitars, as well as ukuleles, banjos, and mandolins. It's a versatile solution for all your instruments. The auto grip system ensures your instrument is secure. It locks quickly when the instrument is placed in the device. This feature protects your instrument from falling. The foam padded arms protect your instrument. They gently cradle the instrument to prevent scratches or damage. This ensures the instrument's finish remains pristine. With the instrument on display, it's always within reach. This encourages you to play more frequently than if it were stored away. It makes playing more accessible and enjoyable. What we like. This wall mount keeps your guitar safe and sound. The auto-lock system provides extra security. If you want to display your guitar and keep it protected, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Makes it like a piece of art rather than a musical instrument. These hangers come with a quick release function that keeps the guitar safely in place, and removing and replacing the instrument is super easy. These hangers are mounted on a swivel to keep your guitar 100% level plumb, no matter what shape the headstock might be. Number 2. JUPPE Bronze Guitar Pick with Leather Case. Looking for a unique gift? This bronze guitar pick is perfect. It comes with a stylish leather case, ready for any occasion. This pick is engraved with "I'd pick you every time." It's a great way to show someone you care. The engraving is neat and clear. Made of steel, this pick has smooth edges and a comfortable weight. It's a keepsake they'll treasure. The design is exquisite. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or Valentine's Day, this pick is a great choice. It's a gift that will be remembered. Give it to him or her. The package includes a bronze guitar pick and a special leather case. It's ready for gifting. They will love it. What we like. This pick is a perfect gift for any guitar player. The engraved message adds a personal touch. If you're looking for a unique and memorable gift, this is a great choice. What people say. It's very thick and he actually uses it on his guitar. Very well made. They are cute as ever and showed up exactly as advertised. Number 1. CoolGift Mart Guitar Stand with LED Lights. This guitar stand from CoolGift Mart features built-in LED lights. It creates a captivating ambience for your guitar. The stand is easily powered up using the included USB cable. This ensures a hassle-free and energy-efficient solution for showcasing it. Admire the intricately carved flowing musical notes pattern on the stand. It adds an artistic flair to your room while celebrating your love for music. A convenient storage slot is incorporated. This allows you to keep your guitar picks within reach, neatly organized in the stand. Crafted from solid wood and acrylic materials, this stand is a blend of elegance and durability. It is a great gift idea for guitar players. What we like. This stand adds a touch of elegance to your space. The built-in LED lights create a captivating ambience. If you want to showcase your guitar in style, it is a great choice. What people say. The product works as advertised. The design is sleek and modern. The features are easy to use and intuitive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.